We're back here. Another beautiful rainy day at the shop. It's Monday. We're gonna be doing an oil change on 2018 Chevy Traverse 3.6. So let's get right into that. Here we are at the front of the car. Now this car is a little backwards because the drain plug is actually facing the front, which is goofy. So this is your drain plug right here. Again, like I said, facing the front of the car. You're gonna need your oil pan. 15 on my favorite ratchet, flex head, long icon ratchet. Pop that drain plug out of there. Try not to shoot it all over the camera, that would be not ideal. You just pull that drain plug out. Ooh, it's hot. Love when people, when they just drive their car in and you're doing an oil change, you just burn your fingers. Now our process is to go around to air up all the tires during an oil change. Let's do that. The first car of the day, I ain't even turned the air on yet. Turn that valve, turn that valve. Back under the car. You're gonna take your drain plug, put it right back in. Torque it to spec, which I believe is 35 foot-pounds. Click. Now we're gonna pull this filter and try not to severely burn ourselves. A little bit of a difficult one to get to, but I think we can pull it off. And the filter is just right there, that white piece. So it's right up there with the drain plug. Ouch! Ouch. That will drain out right onto the AC compressor. This is going to be painful. I already know it. This is where really just what you love on a Monday morning is just to burn your hands. Successful. Now we're gonna go get a new filter. Put that boy in. I'll be right back. New Chevy filter. Whee! Make sure you oil that seal. It's good for it. And you want to make sure your old filter has the seal on it though, because if it's not on the filter, it's stuck up there. If you have two of those seals stacked on top of each other, you'll blow oil right through it, and you'll have no oil in about 30 seconds, and that's a bad day for everyone. So I'll just spin that new filter back on. Get them hand tight. Now this, don't do this. Don't use one of these to tighten them, but I can't get my hand up there and turn it without burning my hand, so I'm gonna get it just a little bit with this. You just want these hand tight. They don't need to be crazy tight. Drop your car back down and we'll go up top. All right, this car is gonna take approximately 6 quarts of 5W30, which I just so happen to have right down there. Now you're gonna go get your funnel. Alright, so we just pulled this little cap off your engine. It tells you what type of oil your car takes. Pull that off, put your funnel in the hole. Add 6 quarts of oil. Now your last step on this car, just to start it. So we will start it up. Check the oil with this yellow dipstick right here. Now that you've started your car, got the oil through the filter, and let it sit back down a little bit, you're going to pull out your dipstick, wipe it off the first time, Put it back in. Pull it out, and you can see, actually, you can see that we're about a half quart low. So I'm gonna add a half a quart. Alright, so we added a half quart to it. Now you can see we're right on the line there. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.